Hello,
Hello,
good morning. I am Jahnavi. I'm your tutor for today.
good morning. My name is Sonia Sharma.
Okay.
I'm from Rajasthan, currently living in Kathmandu. Yeah,
Oh, wow. Okay, great. How is the weather in Kathmandu?
yeah, it's chilly, but
It's
it's
chilly.
nice weather. Yeah,
It's,
listen.
it is good weather, pleasant.
Uh,
Okay. So, could you also tell me a little bit more about yourself? Why are you in Kathmandu and not in Rajasthan?
because of my family, my
Okay.
husband and my father-in-law works in Kathmandu. That's why.
All right. Do you miss Rajasthan?
Yeah, I just went for 20 days in
Okay.
Rajasthan. Yeah,
Okay. All right.
to
Great.
Rajasthan. Sorry.
Yeah. Great. So, did you go through your session topic for today?
No, because there is some issue or some problem downloading the document.
Why I am also not able to. Let me just check if I'm facing a similar
So,
issue. I found it. Okay. So your topic for today is sales pitch. You have to sell something.
I have
Okay.
to sell something.
Yes. You have to
Okay.
sell an item to me or to in general whoever you want to. Okay. Sell
Okay.
something wacky. Wacky. Do you know what wacky is?
No.
Wacky is something like, you know how we get so many razors for women. There are so many unique beauty items. You use this, your skin will get cleared out. Or
Okay.
I'll give you a better example. Wait, wacky would be something weird that has no technical use, but your seller is able to convince you to buy it. So, did you ever get these people selling encyclopedias on your house or LIC insurance, and they're able to convince you?
No.
Never. Beauty
Never.
products?
Sorry?
Beauty products? What about beauty products? They come
Nothing.
to your house, they sell products.
Yeah, I think when I was 15, I think then someone came to my house and they sell us a shampoo. And
Great.
then after that, we use that shampoo for my pet. No, I didn't use that.
Exactly. So that is wacky because you could not use it because it was of no use for you personally.
Okay, now I get
But
it.
they were able to sell that
Yeah,
because of good sales pitch.
they
Okay.
convince us.
Yes. It's the convincing power.
Okay.
So that is wacky. Okay. So in today's sessions. So come up with something wacky and try to sell it to me. Can you come up with a wacky idea?
Uh,
Have you seen Shark Tank? You have to sell an item to me.
oh,
Let's
I have
pitch.
seen Shark Tank, but I am not that much confident than selling. I
Try
have
it
no
out.
experience about it.
Try it
But
out. Let's see if you're able to convince me.
okay. Uh, what should I? Okay, this scarf.
Okay.
Uh, Hello, ma'am. How are you? I'm
Great.
gonna show you something for your use, and you are gonna like it very much.
Okay.
Look at this. This is a very beautiful, look at this, the color.
But it
How
has got
brilliant
no
this color
embroidery.
is.
It's a very basic color.
Yeah, you can't use embroidery, when you have to wear it, if you cover your face with it. So you don't
Okay.
need embroidery. You just need a comfortable cloth with
Okay.
whom you can breathe easily after
Okay.
this. And
Right.
it will protect you with
UV rays.
sunlight, UV rays. Yeah,
Okay.
you don't have to use uh, sunscreens if you will use this scarf. Or in winter also, it is useful for you. Uh,
Continue. Yes.
yeah. And your hair, our hair is there any problem?
I'm so sorry. Could you please continue? Sorry. Yes.
Okay, no problem. So
Yes. So no sunscreen. Thanks
no
to that stuff.
sunscreen,
Okay.
and it will protect your hair
Mm-hmm.
from the dirty what we use from air
Pollution.
pollution. Yeah, air
Okay.
pollution, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, you know how we women love their hair.
Yes.
So it is very smooth.
To touch.
So it in touch and it won't hurt our hair. So yeah,
Okay. What
just
about,
try
have you
this
tried
one.
testing the UV range? What do you think is the UV range for the product?
What do you think if cream will protect us without invisibly? So it's a very good cloth.
Okay.
Just try it out.
Okay. That's a very good idea. I love that. So what is your price range? What price are you offering it with?
uh, it is very
Cheap?
good in price. It's very
Okay.
cheap for you. It's 200 RS.
So you have to give me a better price. 200 is would not be profitable for you, right?
But it's I'm already profiting with this. I
Okay.
buy it at 150.
Okay. Okay. So but you have to think about the mediator also, na? Broker between the agent
Okay.
that brought you the.
So 500 will be okay?
Yeah. So let's go with 500. You need, when you
Okay.
sell items like these, right? You have 100% profit,
Okay.
like
So
the
yeah.
double the profit.
Yeah, it's very cheap for you. It's just 500 rupees you have to
Okay.
give me.
I mean, 500 is a little pricey, but let's. Why do you think? Okay, 500 we can
So
do. Could you go
500,
down to
it's not
450?
that much high for you because it's protecting you with sun rays and yeah,
It's
it's
good
good
for your
for your
hair.
hair, your
Right.
skin,
Uh-huh.
and you can cover it. No, your relatives are not gonna uh,
Identify you.
identify you. You can go whenever you want to go,
Yes.
and it's you can breathe easily with this. So there is
Hmm.
5 or 6
Benefits.
benefits of this.
Pros also works. Well done.
Yeah.
So, do you have any other colors and embroidery for it with it? I want a little more, something like a
Yeah,
black.
we have colors, but
Okay.
I just seen you. You are very your skin tone is good, so it
Okay.
will
This
it
color
will
will suit me.
look good on you.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you just try this. If you want another color, I will make it for you.
All right. Great. That was a great sales pitch. I am buying the product. Well done. And you're telling me you are not confident. What is this?
Because I didn't working. I don't work. I'm just a homemaker. I
That
didn't try
was
this.
not a great pitch. I'm telling
Okay,
you, take my word for it.
thank you so much.
That was a great pitch. You can sell this to your entire family. Do it.
Okay, just I will try online and I will send you some links. Just buy this.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, mm, also, could you, would you want to make sentences out of words for me? Can you make a few sentences?
I will try.
Okay. So, what about faulty goods?
Faulty goods.
Yes. Do you know what faulty goods are?
Like if we purchase something, it is faulty, we can return it or like this.
Yeah. So, when you return them to the company, they are of no use to the company as well, right?
Right.
So, they are labeled as faulty goods.
Okay.
So, could you
So
give me a sentence with that? Let's take
yesterday.
that scarf. You have to use that scarf as well in that
Okay.
sentence.
Uh, I have another. So
Okay.
yesterday I bought a T-shirt, small T-shirt. uh, in free because it was faulty.
It was a faulty good. Well done.
Yeah,
Well done. Yes.
yeah.
Great. What about, do you know guarantee?
Guarantee?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So give me a sentence with guarantee.
My refrigerator is in 4 years guarantee.
Okay. Yes. Great.
Okay.
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Okay.
Yes. 4 years guarantee, right? What about, do you know what is to buy in bulk?
Yeah. I love to buy in bulk grocery. I love to buy grocery in bulk.
Right. That's better. That's better.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Very good. Well done. Okay. So I'll quickly give you feedback and then we'll continue conversation.
Okay.
Very confident, very enthusiastic. Body language is amazing. Well done.
Thank you so much.
I was totally engaged in the entire conversation. So well done for that. Okay.
Thank you.
And I think you need to work on your grammar.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pronunciation is perfect.
Okay.
Maybe a little bit more. Could you say pronunciation for me or dictation?
Pronunciation.
Dictation.
Sorry.
Dictation.
Dictation.
Yeah. So pronunciation is actually perfect. Could you
Okay.
also say this? Let's just try it out. Wait. She says she. Right. We say that?
Seashells. She sells on the. Oh, sorry. Sells. She. Oh, sorry. Sea sells seashells on the seashore.
Seashore.
Yes.
Okay.
Shore. Okay.
Shore.
Sure.
Shore doesn't sound.
Okay.
Sure.
Sure. Okay.
All right. There is a little confusion in that. So we need to work
Yes.
on the sir and sure pronunciation. Okay.
Okay.
Who was that behind you? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All
My
right.
son. Come here.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Divyam Sharma.
Shivam?
Divyam!
Divyam. Okay, Divyam. Sorry. Your voice got cut off. Hi, Divyam. Good morning. Did you have a breakfast?
How are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you?
I am also great.
Okay. I'll quickly finish your session with your mom. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Great.
He love to talk to new people,
He?
Yes.
Kids are very enthusiastic in that sense. Yes.
Yes.
And I can see the resemblance as well. Okay. So as I was saying, what was I saying? So pronunciation needs a little bit work. Grammar. I want you to go through the vocabulary after class.
Okay.
Make sentences out of them. Okay.
Okay.
So you know where your grammar is going wrong and read through those sentences.
Okay.
At least twice or thrice. You will notice your own mistakes and also you can discuss it with the next tutor.
Okay.
That I have made these sentences. Could you please tell me if they are correct or incorrect? Or where
Yeah.
they are incorrect. Okay, so do that.
Okay.
As well as please read the newspaper every day.
Newspaper. Yeah.
Again, loudly.
Okay.
All of that, everything you read, please read it loudly.
Okay.
Your flow of thought will get better. Okay?
Okay.
Any questions that you might have?
I'm not trying any grammar practice. So from today, I think I have to because I'm making mistakes again and again.
In
I
grammar?
thought just I have to be friendly with the language.
Yeah, okay.
So that's why
gained the confidence.
So that's why I subscribed
To
Clapingo.
Yes.
So now I think I can interact without any hesitation and all. So now I will focus on my grammar.
Okay. So, are you comfortable with articles? Have you touched upon articles in the past
When
session?
I have to write sentences, I will make it correctly. But when I have to speak, I just I
So
was
that can take some time, but it will come. So
okay.
that's why I said read the sentences after you write them down.
Okay.
Okay, because that
Yeah.
will help with the flow of your thought, and also the newspaper.
Okay.
Read it loudly. Your pronunciation, your flow of thought will automatically get better, and you'll also gain vocabulary from doing that.
Okay. I'll do that. So where are you from?
I am from Mumbai,
Okay.
and I'm
Great.
currently studying. So yeah.
Yeah. It's nice to talk to you.
Same here, same here. Thank you so much. How has your journey been on the platform up till now?
It's been great.
Have you noticed any progress?
Yeah. You can see how now I am very
You're very
confident.
confident. Yes, that's very important, especially
And
with
I'm
English.
not hesitating at all.
Yes,
Even when I am making mistakes.
yes,
So it's
yes.
okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's very important. Yes. So
Yeah.
it's okay to make mistakes as long as you're making mistakes. You're on the line for betterment,
Yeah,
right?
because you guys are for help. So I feel
Yes,
like if you are gonna judge, you will correct us. You're not making fun of us. So
yes,
that's why.
exactly. True. That's basically the purpose. Yes.
Yeah.
Great. And any other questions that you might have because the session might end.
No, nothing.
Nothing, right?
No.
Okay. So have a great day. Thank you for joining in.
Thank you.
Please follow through the advice
Okay,
and
I will.
hopefully we'll meet again, right?
Yeah, I will.
And also read the newspaper. That's very important.
Okay.
Every other thing will fall into place, but read the newspaper. Okay?
Okay. Priority. Okay.
Yes. And yes, we're done for the day. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you.